Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bertemu lagi dengan saya Adi di channel Adi Gaming di sesi replay random game seri PlayStation 3 slash PC ya atau Windows. Dan seperti terlihat di layar, insya Allah kali ini saya akan coba untuk mereplay atau memainkan ulang game yang berjudul Valkyria Chronicles ya. Game ini sebenarnya terdapat di beberapa platform ya. Tapi yang pertama saya mainkan tuh yaitu di konsol PlayStation 3. Dan untuk replay game ini saya mainkan versi PC-nya ya atau Windows-nya. Oke lah, kita langsung saja load gamenya. Kita langsung ke gamenya aja ya. Bukan load ya, kalau load udah ada. Oke, kita ikuti dulu ceritanya. Walaupun agak-agak rumit, saya nggak suka kalau cerita militer tuh suka rumit.
Was 1935 EC. Two powers controlled the continent. In the east, the sun rose over the autocratic East European
Malah
Imperial
copot.
Alliance,
Ini
otherwise
controller.
known as the Empire. In the west, a network of loosely allied democracies formed the Atlantic Federation. Both powers depended on a precious mineral ragnite for their survival, and its growing scarcity led to the inevitable war. Hostilities began in the
Kayaknya
east when the Empire
berebut
aggressively
resource
crossed
nih.
their western border. The Atlantic Federation
Kalau
was
zaman
founded,
sekarang tuh
and the Second European War
oil ya,
was on.
minyak.
The Empire, with its vast military superiority, struck hard, gaining ground in early victories and putting the Federation on the defensive. Emboldened by their progress and momentum, the Empire set their sights beyond the borders of the Federation. In neighboring Gallia, a peaceful principality along the sea, they found their next victim. Gallia had long maintained its neutrality in the tensions between the two superpowers. But the rich stores of Ragnite under the Gallian soil proved too tempting for the Empire. It amassed troops along the eastern border and invaded with all the force of an avalanche. Prologue. Gallia to arms.
Kalau nggak salah di game ini saya suka justru karakter musuhnya ya. Yang siapa sih namanya tuh? Cakep gitu. Nggak tahu siapa namanya tuh ya. Yang udah punya kekuatan Valkyrie.
March 1935. Outside the Gallian border town of Brule.
Saya suka banget nih sama gameplaynya game ini tuh. Yang pertama tuh dulu tuh inget banget gitu, unik ya, belum pernah ada
Headed inland
gameplay yang kayak gini gitu. Belum pernah lihat atau minimal lah yang pernah saya mainkan ya, baru kali ini gitu. Di game ini gitu, baru di game ini. Dan itu keren banget ya, gameplaynya asik.
Already? Hey there, guys. You're beautiful. Starting early this year. You're heading upstream, huh? How's the water?
Dan game ini lanjut ke yang keduanya, lanjut ke PSP ya. Cuman yang ketiganya saya lupa nih, ada di konsol mana gitu. Yang keempat sih masuk ke PC sama PS4 ya.
Slowly. Haven't seen you around before. What's your name?
My name's Welkin. And you are...
The one with the gun. We're with the Bruletown Watch. I'm Alicia. Alicia Melchiot. So, I'm wondering what you've been writing in that little book you've got there. Imperial spies are in the area.
This book is nothing, really. I was just sketching the fish and,
Yes. Oh, I know. And you know there's a war on, don't you? All right then, Mr. Artist. We'll talk about fish sketching down at the station. Take him away.
Thanks, fish.
Flowers, bugs, and fish. You're not bad with a pen, are you? I have to say, they're really very good.
Thank you. So you see, I really was just sketching.
Maybe. Or this could be some kind of secret code. And I intend to take my time finding out for sure.
Great.
Welks? Is that you?
Isara! Oh, your timing is perfect.
What have you gotten
Impeccable.
yourself into now, Welkin?
Your timing is impeccable.
Wait. Don't you live at the old general's house? That's right. I'm General Gunther's daughter, Isara.
Gunther's.
You do know everyone's supposed to evacuate, right?
Yes, I'm aware of that. My brother's here to help me move to the capital, but that may be difficult. I mean, unless you're willing to let him go, that is.
Huh?
Merajuk.
I apologize. But I was just doing my job, you know. I saw you with the notebook and thought you were a spy. Again, I'm really sorry about that.
Thanks. Don't worry about it. I can see how I might have looked a little suspicious.
Welks has a real passion for observing nature. That's why he's studying it at the university, right?
Guilty as charged. I get so into it sometimes I forget where I am or that somebody might be watching me.
Gunfire! Everyone keep your heads down!
Over there!
The Empire attack is attacking.
Damn it!
Welkin, you can handle a gun, right?
Yeah. I mean, I made it through training anyway.
Well, they're probably just a small scouting team. We should be able to take them out.
I'm with you.
About saving the game. Open the menu by pressing Y button, then select Save to record your progress to the Steam Cloud and hard drive. Saving is a good idea before, during, and after combat. Anything can happen out there. Okay, let's just save first. Udah ya. Coba jaga-jaga aja.
Okay, here's the plan.
Bro, we deploy from here and take out all three of them. "20 turns pass."
Let's get started. Just...
I see 3 of them.
That's 3 too many. Station. Listen a second. There's something I should explain.
When combat starts, you'll see a map of the area and your unit's position. This is referred to as command mode. Okay. Let's try moving a unit now. Alicia dulu. Alicia dulu deh, dia nih Scott ya. Lambang yang kayak gitu tuh Scott. Sama juga si Welkin.
Here we go.
Okay. Already know this. Nggak mampus Unit with zero remaining AP that has already performed an attack in target mode is unable to act further. Press B and their current to end their current action. Okay. Lebih cepat pakai mouse sih sebenarnya ya, tapi nggak apa-apa lah. Musuhnya dari situ semua. Sini aja dulu semua deh. The more cash and experience you receive at the end, but being too hasty can lead to unnecessary risk. Okay. Kayaknya kita mending tunggu di sini aja deh, biar mereka maju, biar dihantam sama bertiga sekaligus. Soalnya attacking tuh very dangerous. When used well, even a limited full of CP can take out significant number of foes. CP can be used on the same unit multiple times. Okay. Oh, satu orang bisa maju beberapa kali ya, meskipun yang penting asal ada CP-nya. If you use cancel button to end your pass with CP still remaining, the CP will be carried over to the next turn. Wow, lumayan dong. Kita end aja deh. End pass. Jadinya berapa? Jadi CP-nya jadi berapa? Ayo maju. Mau kita bantai kau. Nggak mau maju . Nggak mau maju sialan. Jadi banyak banget Kalau saya yang maju jadinya nanti sasaran empuk. Gimana ya?
Here we go.
Kasih welkin aja lah pakai percobaan. Jauh gitu mau gimana? Udah dari tadi juga. Good job.
Yes.
Kita kabur langsung ke sana ya. Ke sini.
Here we go.
Pengaruhnya ini targeting juga ya. Kalau target kepala. Oh, baru inget. Kalau mau targetnya refine target gitu yang buat apa memposisikan targetnya yang sedikit-sedikit majunya ya, pakai D-pad. Nah, kayak gini. Kalau pakai analog kan jauh-jauh tuh gerakannya tuh. Kalau mau kecil pakai D-pad aja buat apa sih Indonesianya tuh? Refine targeting tuh. Gitulah pokoknya. Shoot. Good job. You have to kill. Kok C? Geblek, cuman C dapatnya.
Miss Melchior. There's no other sign of the enemy.
Good. Now, go keep watch and stay alert.
Yes, ma'am.
Ada orang yang
What should we do with the
lagi
bodies, ma'am?
We'll bury them.
yang lagi apa ya, lagi bangun-bangun, lagi potong besi ini kayaknya. Berisik
I'll do
amat.
whatever it takes to protect the people of this town. I'll do it.
Angle grindernya berisik.
What are those?
Seeds from the lion's paw. It blooms white, small, simple, and strong.
I want to be able to remember, once the war is over, that it wasn't all just people killing people. That even in war, there was also new life.
On the 15th day of the 3rd month of the year 1935, the Empire began its assault in earnest. A formal declaration of war was made upon Gallia. Though it was only a small front in a massive continental assault, what followed would prove that a tiny nation could best a military giant. These events would tell a
Guerrilla,
story
ya.
of tragedy hidden in the mists of time.
Pakai strategi
A
gerilya
story of courage
kayak Indonesia dulu ke
and
penjajah.
of trust, of persecution and hate, and of love blooming even through the flames.
Soalnya
of
kalau
war.
face to face apa beradu
What
kekuatan
follows
jelas
is a
kalah.
record of this conflict, and of those
Orang
who fought, lived,
penjajah tuh udah canggih-canggih senjatanya. Nah, banyak lagi. Sama nih juga ya, Empire udah segitu gedenya. Ini Galia kecil banget areanya.
Chapter 1. In Defense of Bruhl.
Bro.
Seeing that old mill spinning again really makes it feel like home sweet home.
I hear that. It really is one of the most beautiful things about this town. Well, citizens, our enemy can't be far behind. I thank you for your help. Goodbye, and take care.
How's the packing coming along, East?
Ini saya liatin karakternya apa tuh namanya, ketemu juga ya. Namanya tuh Selperia. Keren banget nih.
Almost done. I only need to take the everyday basics.
Selperia.
Well, the Empire's got to be close by. Let's hit the road by sundown.
Martha, look! Welks is here.
Oh, welcome back, Welkies.
Ah, nggak bisa pakai satu tangan.
Martha, I'm 22 years old.
Jarang-jarang game tuh yang memfungsikan L1,
Aren't you due any day now?
L2 ya buat ini, buat progress teks. Harus pencet X aja pakai tangan yang kanan. Jadinya harus pakai dua tangan aja.
Oh, hello, Alicia. What?
I just wanted to apologize for before. Here, this is for you.
Really? These are for me?
I work at the bakery. Well, I did until the war started anyway. It's where I live, too. That's preserved bread, so it's pretty hard. Heat it up before you eat it, all right? I baked it myself, so the flavor's guaranteed. Best you ever had.
Thanks. Do you want to come in?
Kalau dibandingkan malah saya lebih suka ini ya daripada yang keempat. Karakternya tuh lebih apa ya? Kan tahu lah gitu, lebih suka ini aja gitu.
What? Wait, no, it's not like that. Alicia just saved my skin, that's all.
He's right, we just met. I'm not his girlfriend, just his hero. Although I'm really hoping to be his friend.
Oh, well, I'm sure you will. Be good to my Welkies here, won't you?
Okay, seriously, Martha, enough with the Welkies already.
That's a lovely portrait. Is that General Gunther?
Yep. It was taken before I was born. But that's Dad.
That's Dad? You're a lucky guy. And who's that with him there?
Bapaknya Isara gitu.
My father,
Oh ya benar.
Tamer. He was
Wait a minute. But I thought the General was your dad.
My birth parents died when I was a baby. The general was kind enough to take me in as his own after that.
Yeah. We're not related by blood, but she's definitely my little sister.
Sorry, was that question too personal?
No, I don't mind at all. I was blessed with two wonderful fathers.
Yeah, I guess you were, huh? Oh, is that really the time? I've got to get going.
Why don't you see her off, Welks? I can take care of the rest of this on my own.
All right, I will. I'll be right back.
See you later, Sarah. Safe travels.
Wow, look at this. Bruhl's really becoming a ghost town.
They've been leaving for a while. Just about everyone is evacuated by now. You can't blame them. Tensions are rising with the Empire. We'll survive. The Town Watch will guard and protect the home front. Everyone will come back someday. They'll come back when it's safe again, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, Welkin, I'm curious. Are you gonna join the army like your father?
I don't think that's for me. What I'd really like to do is be a teacher.
Huh. A teacher?
Yeah. Animals and insects, flowers and plants, they've always been my passion. I've learned a lot from nature. You see, my dad, he protected this country as a general, but it's just that I want to give back in my own way. My own way. You know what I mean?
I think I do. You're sure about it? Wow, that's deep in your own way. Ah! What was that?
That sound. I don't believe it.
The meal.
Miss Melchior, the Imperials are attacking. There's a squad of them in town right now.
Get all the Town Watch together, now! We've got to fend them off.
They must be at Mill Plaza. I'll help.
Thanks,
Let's
Mark.
go.
Now move out.
Let's get it on. Oh, ini kayaknya battle nih. Save dulu dong. Option udah bener.
I'll explain the mission.
The enemies invaded the Windmill Plaza and has taken almost the entire area over. We'll deploy from this position. Okay. Hide behind sandbags for cover as you advance toward the plaza. Our goal this time is to eliminate the enemy leader. I'm pretty sure they'll be here in the plaza area. Be careful, there may be enemy units hiding behind the building out there. Ada yang nggak kelihatan ya.
Okay, let's begin.
Let's get it on.
Our target is the Imperials in Mill Plaza. Breaking the chain of command should at least buy some time for the townspeople to get away.
All right, I got it.
Got a second?
A set amount of damage unit has sustained is healed in each turn. Oke. Stay back and heal up. Should enemy attacks drive a unit's HP to 0. You have no way having a unit critical condition. Try to fight carefully so no one's HP reach 0. Tapi nanti kedepannya bakal ada yang bisa nge-heal ya kalau nggak salah tuh. Oke, welcome you first. Go. Oke, line of sight. Salah. To kill tuh butuh 2 kali ya. Jadi kalau nge-shotnya ada 5 kali. Bullet menandakan bahwa senjata ini efektif terhadap tipe target ya. Segitiga menandakan senjata yang the weapon can only give slight damage, bahwa senjata akan memberikan damage yang kecil. Egg mean the weapon is ineffective again. Oh, kalau egg nggak efektif ya. Area oke. To kill is the number of shots that need to connect in order to defeat the target. Oke. Crash dulu baru kesini. Ini butuh 2, kalau ke bawah 7. Nah kan kalau ke kepala nih lebih ini ya. Hit. Mantap. Jalan dulu deh. Salah habis actionnya. Bukan actionnya, apa? Giliran si Alicia aja deh, majuin dulu. Pokoknya harus bareng-bareng. Biar nanti kalau ada musuh maju, di attack-nya sama berdua gitu atau sama bertiga. 9 pakai helm dia. Nggak bisa kemana ya? Nah, baru di attack nih sama si Alicia aja deh. 5. Nah, ini 2 nih. Oke. Ambil sesuatu. Oke. Ini ambil juga. Aduh. Sialan nggak kelihatan. Aduh, nggak kelihatan dari samping Di attack dari depan lagi. Kacau. Itu dari belakang udah mampus. Oke, untung masih dalam tutorial ya, jadi kuat. Damage-nya gede kali pun.
Here we go. Hostile sighted.
Nggak bisa terhalang kayak gini. Sembilan mah susah dong. Nggak ada ini lagi. Pindah dulu deh. Nggak apa-apa lah, nekat aja. Bukan ke situ. Di sini. Nggak bisa, 9 nggak bakal mati dong. Salah.
My turn, okay?
Mantap. Kalau dia maju udah mampus. Ini di save aja deh. Yang ketiga biarin aja di belakang. Sama berdua mah jadi cepet mampusnya.
What's that?
Tank kayaknya, tank.
Sounds like a tank.
Pengen cepet lihat Selvaria lagi keren. Mana bisa nyerang tank. Dilindas mampus. Backup mana backup? Ada backup. Waduh, hancur itunya. Nggak ada tempat sembunyi.
Tank!
That's not good. We're not equipped to take out a tank.
Isara,
To say it,
datanglah kau.
get off this road and into the alley to the east. It's too narrow for a tank to follow. And try to stay behind cover while moving. One blast from that turret and it's over.
Kemana ya? Jalannya ke depan aja gitu. Sini aja ya. Atau sebelah mana ya? Ke sana dulu gitu atau mending udah kesini ke belakang aja deh. Kok nol? Heran. Nggak bisa. Gimana ya? Aduh, kena kena. Maksud tuh mau tembak ini. Kurang maju. Susah kemana ya? Harus sembunyi dulu nih. Ini apa majunya nih, ada kayak hentakan-hentakan gitu. Ya udah, Welkin maju Welkin. Maju kau sini. Kamu jadi percobaan ya.
Yes.
Sekali lagi Welkin.
Ready to go.
Kejauhan Lycia udah penuh belum? Ini aja. Sip. Ini sekali dibom sama tank udah mampus. I need armor piercing weapon.
Moving out. Moving out.
Mampus lu dari belakang. Kayaknya udah habis ya musuhnya. Berarti tinggal ke belakang. Lihat petanya gimana ya? Map. Oh, sini. Ellie. Ini kayaknya nih. Kelewat kah?
Here we go.
Oh, gitu aja. Dua-duanya harus di situ rupanya ya.
Okay, I'll head back to my house and
Be careful out there.
Cek lagi.
Chapter 2.
Save dulu deh. Oke.
Isara, Martha, please be okay.
Martha!
What's her problem? She pregnant or just fat?
Who cares? Not gonna make any difference when she's dead.
Stop this now.
See what she's wearing? Take a good look at that shawl. She's a Darkson.
And that
Dachshund.
explains it. I thought this place stunk. Now I know it does. So we got
Stang tuh dari sting ya, bau.
And a stinky one. PU. It's a regular pig farm
Sting,
in here.
stang, stung kayaknya ya. Kata kerja ketikanya kayaknya stung.
I will thank you to watch your tongue in this house. You have to leave now.
That's a big gun for such a little girl. Drop it.
Isara!
Huh? Hold it right there! Die! Darkson pig!
Dachshund.
Isara, are you okay?
I'm okay thanks to you. But Martha, I think she's...
Martha!
This isn't good. She's gone into labor. Moving her would be dangerous.
Right. Well, we can't just leave her here. What are we gonna do? There are a lot of Imperials out there, East. It's only a matter of time before they take over the Mill Plaza.
Welks, listen. The barn out back.
What about it?
Our fathers have left us something. Something that might get us out of this mess.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Dad's tank. Whoa. I can't believe it's still here.
And it's one of a kind. Here it is, the Edelweiss. Tamer built it especially for General Gunther.
Yeah, and it worked great, too. So it's just been parked here in the barn?
I wanted to make sure it would still operate, you know, in case of emergencies. I enrolled in a maintenance class given by the military. I wanted to be able to do what my father could do.
Well, that's great. But that's only a class, Isara.
It really didn't need much. Hardly any alterations at all. I just
Hardly
fitted it with a new turbine
any
engine.
alteration
It really
at
improves on the
all.
power-to-weight ratio. The
Tank lawan
Edelweiss
tank.
is field-worthy. Its firepower and mobility are more than a match for recent models.
Well, assuming it does work.
What's
What's
next?
next?
All right, Welks, you took the armored vehicle course, didn't you?
Yeah. Back in high school. Once.
We'll bring Martha here. She'll be safe inside the tank, and we can move to a better location. Just leave the driving to me, okay? All you have to do is give the orders.
Kok kayak lagu Superman?
Isara, you ready to roll?
Engage the engine. The Edelweiss is ready for deployment.
Alicia could still be out there dodging bullets, buying time for people to evacuate. Here's the plan. We're gonna pick up Alicia and get out of town. All right, Edelweiss, move out!
Ini perang nggak ya? Kayaknya sih. Daripada ngulang-ngulang nanti ceritanya, mendingan di save dulu sekarang.
Here's the brief for this operation.
The town watch will need to hold off the enemy forces until you arrive with the tank. Okay. Brawl's main gate is destroyed. The enemy tank is destroyed. Rocking dice. Okay.
All right.
Ada tanknya. Susah.
If this gate falls, there's going to be even more casualties among... The town watch will defend this gate. Got a second?
By moving behind sandbags and selecting crouch, a unit's defenses are maximized, and extra damage for headshots is negated. When focusing on defense or ending one's turn, it is always best to hide this way.
My turn, okay? Enemy unit spotted. Enemy sighted.
Kejauhan, Udah crouch aja deh. Ini juga crouch aja. Kayaknya ada musuh dari sini nih. Enak aja deh. Gimana nahan tanknya ya? Oh, ngancurin dulu itu tanknya. Tembak balas. Oke. Mampus lu. Bakal mampus lu kalau berani maju lu. Mampus. Enakan defense ya, nggak maju-maju. Waduh, machine gun. Mampus. Town watchman. Small of damage is healed at the start of each player base. They need Ragnade. Oh, kayak semacam heal potion ya. Oke.
Moving out.
20 Nah ini cuman butuh 1 nih. Itu mah bakal mampus nanti juga. Susah nggak kena jauh. Nunduk dianya. Jongkok. Sama aja 20. Gila ke atas sampai. Bom pakai ini mah nggak punya. Ada. Cuman nggak ada itu ya. Lama banget, butuh 21. Butuh 21 buat kill. Sialan. Bodoh banget sih. Gak apa-apa lah, tumbal.
My turn, okay?
Mampus lo. Enak ya di atas. Satu lagi ya. Alicia deh di heal dulu. Nah ini dia nih.
No! If this keeps up...
Terus gimana nahannya, nggak bisa lah. Susah. Shock troopers. Gila nggak mampus. Awas lu, gua sikat pakai granat lu. Pakai bom lu. Masih banyak rupanya. Ayo bersatu dengan yang satunya lagi. Keburu mampus. Gak seru ah. Nah.
The tank should be able to breach that wall. It may provide us with a shortcut, Welks.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Tank possess firepower and endurance far beyond that of foot soldiers. They are able to deflect nearly all gunfire from enemy foot soldiers. Unlike ground unit, however, tanks do not recover a portion of their lost HP each turn. Tanks also consume 2 CP when selected. Okay. Sip. AP-nya kecil banget, sedikit banget. Anti-armor cell. Udah bisa nggak itunya? Belum bisa.
Police. We can talk later.
And switching to anti-tank combat. Armor-piercing shells loaded.
All right.
Mana tanknya? Ah, mau attack tank nggak ada. Ini aja deh. Kesian dibom sama tank. Ini tanknya sebelah mana ya? Oh, harus maju lagi. Anti armor. Sip. Satu kali lagi bisa nggak? Nggak bisa.
My turn, okay?
Makan nih granat. M1 granat. Ding ding. Ding ding.
Minor damage sustained.
Kelemahannya di belakang ya, aman. Waduh, masih ada. Balas. Mampus lu. Tank satu kali lagi hit ya, kayaknya bisa nih.
Here we go.
Ah, kok nggak kena? Nggak mampus.
Here we go. Fire!
Haha. B lumayan bagus. Keren juga ya dapat B. Oke lah.
Two hours after the first shots were fired, Brule was under Imperial control. Though a mere skirmish by Empire standards, the raid on Brule would mark Welkin Gunther's first taste of battle and begin his rise to a Gallian hero.
Alicia.
I thought I would be ready for this. I knew war meant this might happen. It hurts. Seeing my town overrun like this, seeing all those people killed, it's just not right. How could all this happen? It isn't human, Welkin.
Apaan lu pegang-pegang?
We look at those birds and see how wild
Baru
and
aja
free they
ketemu,
are,
baru kenal.
but they all have their own territories. If anything threatens their home, they'll risk their lives to defend it. People are animals too. We do what we have to, when we have to. Animals are in a constant struggle to stay alive, but I've also seen them help each other, almost like they were cooperating in order to survive.
Cooperating?
That's why I'm so into studying natural science. That coexistence. I want to know how it works. If we could figure that out, mankind could put it to use for our own survival. That's why I want to be a teacher, so that I can pass that knowledge on to the children. I mean, even if we can't completely eliminate war, at least we might learn to live together as one people.
You think so?
Welks, look. Martha fell asleep, so that makes me the babysitter. See, Alicia?
Oh, he's adorable.
Baru
Just like you
melahirkan.
said, even in war, new life happens all around us. Come here. Look, that's your hometown.
Someday, we'll come back home again.
Yes,
Nah, kita mengelana dulu, berkelana dulu.
I know it.
Chapter 3.
Na, 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 na. Summons. Bukannya kirain mau tempur.
In March
Lupa
of
di save.
1935, the Empire began its invasion across Gallia's eastern border. Maximilian, commander of the Gallian invasion front, built his army around mobile armor. Ghirlandaio and the other fortresses along the border fell to his tanks in quick succession. Bruhl's fall in under 2 hours was typical of villages in the Empire's path, and the road to the capital bore a steady flow of refugees. Randgries, Gallia's capital, a town secure and stable since ancient times. Within its walls stood the castle Randgries, and within its unicorn spire resided Cordelia, Gallia's princess. Supporting Gallia's policy of neutrality was a system of universal conscription. Under it, all schools required military training each year. In the event of a war, citizens were then drafted into the militia to defend their country. As the conflict with the East grew worse, both Welkin and Alicia found themselves no exceptions to that fate.
Sekolah dulu ayo.
So these are my new Oh, my uniform. I should get changed before reporting in. Better get ready now. Flares, binoculars, a compass, and a map. Everything you need for a nice hike. Or combat.
Ini niatnya nih topinya rambutnya keluar dari topi tapi kelihatannya jadi bergerigi kayak gitu.
Welkin?
Sure, it's open.
Oh, you're already changed too. Let's see. Not bad, not bad. You look good, actually. So, how about me? Do I look all right in this? Convincing?
Let's take a look. Yeah, you look fine.
Really? You're not just saying that?
Of
Matanya
course not.
membesar.
You look tough. I like it.
Oh, good. I was worried it looked kind of silly.
No way. That plating on the back? It's like a coleopterate exoskeleton. Beetle-tastic.
Colio what? And did you just say beetle? Welkin? What kind of girl wants to hear that she looks like a bug?
Huh? Not just any bug. A rhinoceros beetle. King of the insects. Who wouldn't want that? Tell me about that scarf.
Yang penting niatnya, dia tuh niat baik. Karena dia suka bug, dia jadi semuanya dibanding-bandingkan dengan bug.
Is that right?
I don't want to forget the time I spent busting my buns baking. I plan to keep wearing it until I can get back to manning the ovens again.
That's great. Once you do, I'll be first in line to get some of that bread.
Is that a promise? Well, I'll be sure to have plenty of it ready and waiting for you.
Absolutely. Hey, if you're ready, we should probably go see the captain now.
Squad 7 is born.
Come in. Excuse me, ma'am. Galleon Militia enlistee Welkin Gunther, reporting for duty.
Ma'am, Galleon Militia Enlistee Alicia Melchiot, also reporting for duty.
I'm Captain Eleanor Varrot, commander of this regiment. Gunther, you're promoted to lieutenant. You'll be leader of Squad 7 now.
Ma'am.
Enlistee Melchiot, you're promoted to sergeant. You'll be under the lieutenant's command. Understood?
Ma'am.
What do you know? It is you. Nice coincidence, huh, Welkin?
Valdio? I had no idea that you'd enlisted.
Yeah. Now that there's a real war going on, I joined up. Pretty much all the officer and training boys are here just like you.
You know each other?
Yes, ma'am. We knew each other at university. Welkin was in science and I was in archaeology.
Archaeology.
And just look at us now. No archaeology or science. Looks like the two of us are studying war, I guess.
Looks that way. It's good to see you.
And you.
That'll be all for now. There's a strategy briefing later today, but you still have time. Time for you to catch up. You'll be spending a lot of time on the post and in Randbreeze. They'll be your new home, so get to know them. That'll be all. Report back in time for the briefing. Until then, you're dismissed.
Yes, ma'am. Squad barak. Change equipment. Command room. Choose the member squad. Training field, combat ability, R&D, upgrade squad 7 equipment. Nah, ini nih yang dicari nih.
Welcome to R&D, man.
530.000 455 baru main udah 530.000. Kayaknya bakal gede ya, bakal jumlah DCT-nya bakal gede dibutuhkannya ini buat upgrade. Soalnya ini awal-awal udah 530.
What's going on? Oh, Casey, check it out. It's Lieutenant Gunther. He's the man. Sorry about him, Lieutenant. He's like this all the time, I'm afraid. But where are my manners? I'm Kreese Cherney. I'm training here as a mechanic. Oh, and I'm Leon Schmidt. But just call me Leon, bro. I'm your boy. So, Lieutenant Gunther, what brings you down to R&D today? We do work here on weapons development, making upgraded weapons and equipment.
And that includes rifles and machine guns. We can even soup up your tank. Of course, research expenses aren't cheap.
With rifles and other firearms, we'll mass-produce new models as they're developed. You won't have to worry about making enough for your squad.
We'll outfit them.
Okay.
For tanks,
So I just pay for research.
or develop optional parts that you can add on to tweak out its spec.
Right. You can choose which optional parts you want in the tank equipment. Come in.
Aduh, jangan banyak ngomong aja langsung. Body enhancement mostly reinforce the gun barrel and body armor to improve its base stats. Tanks will automatically be given the best body type you have developed. You decide whether to favor attack or defense. Oke. Ayo dong, cepet dong, ini malah kakak ngocoblak wes ya teh. Weapon rifle nih, butuh nih rifle. Akurasi bus 2R di top. Versus apa tuh? PS tuh, oh person ya. Person versus armor. 500 DCT. Oh. Murah, kirain bakal mahal. Oke.
Here you go, bro.
Banyak kali duitnya ya. Ada DCT-nya. Waduh. Ini tuh buat Lancer tuh buat tank ya nih tuh kalau nggak salah. Versus person 125 versus armor 900. Mantap. Sniper. Bedanya apa? Oh, defense-nya nambah 1. Anti-blast.
All set for you, bro.
Change part. Nggak ada partnya, nggak ada apa-apa. Udah gini aja. Develop weapon machine gun ini udah semua ya. Blast suit, sniper rifles. Udah tadi kayaknya ya.
Well, sir. Come again a little later.
Yeah, you better come back soon, bro. I am all fired up to work on stuff.
Satu beta lagi deh, baru kita udahan ya. Ini squad barak dulu. Rossi, Largo, Lancer. Enak nih, ini apa? Shock Trooper nih enak, tapi harus jarak dekat. Mesin gunnya tuh.
It's good to see you doing the rounds. This is the command room. You will have access to both drafted... Now that I think of it, Squad 7 is still short on soldiers, isn't it? This is the master list. First off, you have the scouts. Just like the name suggests, they'll be your eyes. Their best asset is their mobility.
Oh iya ya. AP-nya gede gitu, jadi dia bisa bergerak leluasa ya. Scout nih.
That and a keen eye for enemies. A good scout can spot a man in tall grass from 100 yards.
I see.
That comes at the price of firepower. Their job is spotting enemies, not taking them out.
Oke, berarti damage-nya kecil.
Next up, the shock trooper. They're the ones to break through enemy lines and clean up. They offer excellent offense and defense. As far as combat goes, they're as good as it gets. While they lack any specialized techniques, they also don't have any obvious shortcomings. Think of them as the least finicky unit in your squad, Lieutenant. After them, we have Lancers, then anti-tank units. They're critical when facing armored targets. Their purpose is pretty self-explanatory. They're also well shielded from explosives, which conveniently includes tank mortars.
Oh, dia ini kebal sama eksplosif. Keren juga ya.
They're slow and weak to gunfire. Their limited ammo could also be called a drawback. Changing gears, we have the engineers. They handle supplies and perform combat support.
Kau malah ngantuk.
They can restock other units' ammunitions, treat the wounded. Lastly, we have the snipers. You won't find better soldiers for marksmanship and range. They can hit targets I can barely see. Sniping rifles also come with scopes that work to augment a sniper's natural eyesight. Drawbacks include low mobility and defense. If the enemy gets them alone, they're done for. That should cover the basics. Go ahead and put a squad together now. There's room for 20, and you can swap units at any time.
20. Ini Scott.
I'm Hermes Kissin.
Nggak usah digini-gini lah. Ini nggak dilihat dulu tadi, balikin dulu deh. Hermes ini level 1 198. Kalau Scott tuh yang HP-nya agak gede tuh bagus tuh buat mengcover damage ya saat lari-lari. Ini berarti ini Melville. Ted juga. Terus yang paling lebih gede dari sini tentu saja ya Shock Trooper. Nah ini nih HP-nya harus yang gede deh. Captain Albot. Satu lagi. Satu lagi Shock Trooper-nya atau mending itu ya. Mending Scott aja deh. Ramona aja deh. Biar agak cute dikit. Oke, sekarang Lancer 262, 260, 262 dong. Sisa berapa? Sisa 11. Beda dikit juga HP-nya. Engineer Fatalis. Snipernya mana? Ini. Cari yang cewek deh snipernya. Kok cuman 2 sniper? Tujuh lagi butuh ini ya. Ini juga 230. Cari yang cewek deh. Aika 195 tapi kecil banget HP-nya ceweknya.
The name's Nina.
Kayak cowok. Hermes. Nah, sisanya ini aja Scott. Scott ini kecil damage tapi bergeraknya bagus banget tuh. AP-nya gede, banyak. One more. Ini aja deh. Oke. Udah beres terus gimana? Iya udah beres terus gimana? Star gitu. LB. Potensial info. Oh pakai bulat ya, pakai B.
Come back. As time passes, we'll have more recruits to choose from. Oh, and all the recruits go through training together, so they're all ready for combat.
Okay.
They'll be at the same level as the rest of the team you've taken into the field. You can swap out members without the worry of losing the benefit of their experience.
Oh gitu. Jadi semuanya dapat XP ya.
Trust in your own judgment and pick a team you know you can work well with. That should be enough to get you started. You can figure out the rest as you go.
Wow. Squad leader's a lot of responsibility. Come to think of it, Faldio's heading up Squad 1, isn't he? I wonder if he's off sorting through this stuff now too. I bet.
Kayaknya kelamaan nih kalau ke battle ya, kayaknya kita cut dulu deh. Untuk EXP-nya 3.500, gampang lah kalau mau di-cheat aja nanti. Tapi masih pagi ya, masih awal-awal nih. Keterlaluan kalau langsung di-cheat. Oh, training pill belum.
Welcome to your work. Still, I can't work miracle. I want you. But don't go trying to hog all the glory. You will class.
Iya bener. Jadi tiap kelasnya dinaikin level ya.
When the scouts level up, that means each and every one of them goes up that level.
Okay.
You hear me, maggots?
Yeah, I hear you.
All right. It ain't complicated.
Ya udah, cepetan.
Train.
Scott naikin. Level 2. Level 2 semuanya naikin satu-satu deh. Ngapain juga lu nongol-nongol. Jadiin gua level up aja, jangan nongol-nongol. Aduh, kurang ajar. Mending muka lu cakep. Tai banget lu. Lama banget sih ada gitu-gitunya. Kurang ajar. Nah, habis ini kita naikin Scotch. Woi, udahlah, nongol terus, kurang ajar. Sama. Pokoknya attack-nya, aduh habis. Pokoknya attack-nya dinaikin dulu deh. Oke. You learn evade boost. Disorder raises one ally's evasion skills. Okay.
It doesn't take a genius to see that leveling up your soldiers is the best way to beef up your squad.
Oke lah. Bla bla bla, pokoknya gitu aja. Save dulu ya. Headquarters. Turn page. Kalau ke tab, pindah tab pakai apa ya? Oh ini. Oke, sip. Tahu-tahu. L2 R2 ya. Ya udah, save dulu deh. Udah, kita cut dulu deh untuk part pertama ya. Untuk pengenalan cukupkan sekian saja videonya. Insya Allah nanti kalau ada kesempatan lagi kita sambung lagi ke part berikutnya. Baik, terima kasih sudah menonton. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.